गलतियां होती होगी, मुझसे भी होती होगी, मैं भी मनुष्य हूँ, मैं कोई देवता
अभी
थोड़ा हूँ।
परसों ही तो खुद को नॉन बायोलॉजिकल बोला था इस आदमी ने।
मैं कन्विंस हो चुका हूं कि परमात्मा ने मुझे भेजा है।
This is how you edit it. This is how you edit it.
होते हैं। खैर गलतियां भी आप तभी कर पाओगे जब आपका टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर चलेगा, वरना तो जवाब जवाब जब जब जवाब जवाब जवाब। तो गलती करना अच्छी बात है, मगर टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर से देख के भी गलत बोल के भी खुद को बेस्ट ओरेटर बोलना अच्छी बात नहीं है।
न्यायेन राज्यम लवणेन भोज्यम।
कि
Oh
बेटी बचाओ
God,
बेटी
this one.
पढ़ाओ अभियान ये कैन डू जनरेशन है।
ऑल्सो तुम भगवान नहीं हो तो इन लोगों को समझाओ कि तुम भगवान नहीं हो, जो तुम्हारा नाम ले लेके धार्मिक हिंसा भड़का रहे हो उनको बताओ तुम भगवान नहीं हो। ये पॉडकास्ट पे ज्ञान क्यों दे रहा है हमारे देश का प्रधानमंत्री?
गलतियां होती
Because he's the prime influencer. Our prime minister is a prime influencer. That's why वो podcast पे जवाब दे रहा है, शमिता मैम. It's because what are you talking about? Of course he's going to podcast now. The reason why he's going to podcast is because relevance खत्म हो गया है TV news का. If this is not a sign, then what is? Guys, I declare today TV news is dead officially. प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज लाइक तुम जाओ, तुमने 10 साल हमारा चाटा है, हमने यूज कर लिया, चाट लिया तुमने, गोदी मीडिया अमेजिंग, यू डिस्ट्रॉयड योरसेल्फ, योर क्रेडिबिलिटी, एवरीथिंग. नाउ आई विल नॉट इवन गिव यू भाव. स्क्रू यू. अरविंद केजरीवाल इज गोइंग टू राज शमानी. Modi ji is going to this fellow, whatever this fellow is, Kamath fellow. Kamath fellow is like a very rich fellow, na? Like Zerodha guy, na? He's the Zerodha guy, I feel like. He's the rich fellow. Tanmay Bhatt ka best friend. He's going to Tanmay Bhatt ka best friend. तो TV news, screw you man. गया, मर गया. TV news is dead now. I am declaring it. Rip TV news. Well done. 10 साल तुमने इतना खुद का क्रेडिबिलिटी ऐसे खत्म ही कर दिया ना, इतना बोर कर दिया लोगों को मोदी दिखा के कि यू आर गॉन नाउ मोदी जी भी भाव नहीं देते तुमको. लव इट, गुड. मर जाओ सब चैनल, तुम सब नोएडा वाले मर जाओ. लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू सी अ डे when all those freaking hate mongering channels are empty. They have been sold like malls in some of these places to shady parlors and whatever. वो चाहिए मेरे को. अब तुम्हारे इतने बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग है ना नोएडा में, खाली सेल इट टू नेल सलोन्स एंड अदर थिंग्स, मनी लेंडिंग बिजनेसेस. Screw that shit, man. Arvind Kejriwal is going to Raj Shamani. Oh, you didn't see? Okay, that is one interview I saw. Guys, what are you doing in life? Also competition research. Friends. Now everything we watch for Delhi elections is competition research. How about that? ऐसे फेंक के मारा है. See, I could have covered Delhi elections normally. I could have been like, नहीं, I will cover Delhi elections normally. No, मैं तो candidate है अब. Candidate is talking about competition. भाई, don't you think most of the podcasts are now working as PR companies for Neta Table? Oh, absolutely, Singh. Absolutely, you're bang on when you say that. They're all working as PR companies because क्या? Oh, by the way, the Raj Shamani thing was also, it was not great. I'll tell you why. Do you want to see a bit of it? How to identify a PR podcast?
ये सत्ता में आ गए. तो कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि हम राजनीति में आएंगे, कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि हम सीएम, तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
एंड हु सपोर्टेड यू? हु डू यू थिंक कि एकदम से रातों रात 1 साल में आप सीएम बन गए? क्योंकि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बनाना, उसके लिए फंड्स लाना, उसके लिए लोग इकट्ठा करना,
लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया, लोगों का समर्थन था बहुत ज्यादा, लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया. People.
There were not like 5-6 individuals जो साथ में जुड़ के आए.
No.
And how did you collect funds in the beginning then?
लोगों से ये क्या कहते, क्राउड फंडिंग.
Maximum was crowdfunding. And then you became CM. फिर लोग कैसे चुने आते हैं? आपकी टीम में सब लोग बोलते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, बहुत ज्यादा विजनरी.
Again, see, this is my thing. Like, I mean, why did he just leave it at that? There are so many moments where he just asks the question, he answers something, and he moves on. No counter question. It's like he's not even applying what the answer is. He's just asking one more question. It moves on so fast, right? And also one of the things that Arvind Kejriwal did earlier, I mean, Aam Aadmi Party did earlier, which was very good also, which was they were very transparent. They were showing the names of their donors, etc. The unfortunate thing is some of the donors got harassed by the BJP agencies. That is also true. I know someone who that happened to, so I know that is something that was happening. But the other thing is, why did they stop giving expenses of the party also? Earlier they used to give expenses. I'm not sure if they did at great detail, real time dete the. Suddenly gone. And now we don't know who is funding, what is happening, etc. It's I don't know. Like, they used to do it, but the next logical question should be, do you still do that? And the answer is no. The answer is no. They don't still do that. So then you ask, okay, so if you don't do that anymore, your party is bigger. It is in more states. How do you make the money? How do you run your party? नहीं पूछ सकते ना, नहीं पूछ सकते.
और लोग बोलते हैं कि अभी भी भले आप सीएम नहीं हो, बट यू आर कॉल्ड एज सुपर सीएम. मीडिया आपको सुपर सीएम बोलती है.
This one.
लोग जो मर्जी बोलते हैं,
कंट्रोल तो आप
लोगों
ही
का
करते
काम
हो.
होना चाहिए.
बट इज इट नॉट ट्रू?
नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो.
सो सारे डिसीजंस इंडिपेंडेंटली आतिशी मैम लेती है.
बिल्कुल.
There's nothing that she comes to you and say, like, gets your consulting.
There's no harm in consulting. You should consult everyone. So there's no harm in consulting, but final decision, the buck stops at.
तो आप बात करते हो कि
अरे why did
आप
you
पहले
move
क्या
on?
थे और अब क्या हो. तो मैं कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स मैंने देखे थे, कुछ चीजें देखी थी जो लोग बोलते हैं कि यार केजरीवाल सर ने झूठ बोला.
अरे why did you
कुछ भी
move
बोलते हैं
on?
हर थोड़े time
Again, see, here's the thing. Why did you move on like so quickly? Like, oh, super CM बोल. लोग कहते हैं आप super CM है. See, this is Navika's लोग कहते हैं style of questioning also. Navika would always be like, हाँ, opposition वाले कहते हैं, लोग कहते हैं. I don't say it. भाई राज शमानी, friend, खुद का पॉडकास्ट चला रहे हो तुम. जस्ट से नो कि मेरे रिसर्च ने बोला है. आई थिंक लाइक आई रेड समवेयर दैट यू नो लाइक लोग कहते हैं आपको सुपर सीएम. इज देयर नथिंग दैट आतिशी लाइक बेसिकली कंसल्ट करते? आस्क फॉर एग्जांपल्स. आस्क ना कि व्हाट आर द फ्यू डिसीजंस शी हैज टेकन हरसेल्फ इन दीज मंथ्स दैट शी हैज बीन देयर विदाउट कंसल्टिंग यू. आर देयर एनी डिसीजंस दैट शी हैज टेकन हरसेल्फ? या एंड शी should have asked. It's bizarre, guys. These podcasts make no sense to me. It's not a conversation. It's like a chat GPT thing that is like, हाँ ऐसे ही बस सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं. Like they're just like, हाँ one question after the other they're just asking, the person is responding, कोई counter question नहीं, because they're not even thinking about it. It's bizarre to watch this. This is not a conversation. This is not an interview. This is not. It is a PR exercise. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. A real interview would never look like this. Just saying. He's mixing some flattery in there. Exactly. He does that also a few times. Like I saw this whole interview and I found it in points it's very strange. It's very awkward. That's why I was Karan Thapar. Exactly. Karan Thapar would never do this. I think like even Abhinandan would never do that, who are good interviewers, right? Karan Thapar, Abhinandan. Even Manisha's interview, if you see with Rajdeep Sardesai, you will see how much counter questioning they do, approach one issue with this angle, that angle, that angle, that angle, until they have completely like spoken about it. यहाँ पे तो बस ऐसे ही लाइन से सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं, just चले ही जा रहे हैं. It's just like, क्या भाई? Like, you don't think about the answers or what? What is this? She cornered him, exactly. Samdesh also. Now, Samdesh, the way he does interviews is very fascinating, right? Samdesh gives this nice friendly air, right, first. So, it seems like a very friendly interview at first. But mazak mein he will start poking them about other things in different ways. Now, Samdesh also asks and counter questions, right? He asks it in a very different way, a different style, but he's also a great interviewer, right? Now, the guests that come to his interview show, like I wouldn't call it a podcast, it's like a interview show, honestly. His show, I am very satisfied after watching his interviews, because honestly I feel like completion aata hai answer mein. Like whenever you hear an answer, I know that Samdesh will ask something which will clear something that I want cleared, right? In a way that he does, which is very clever. It's a character that he plays. It's actually excellent. But ये Raj Shamani, beer biceps and this, I don't know, Kamath fellow looks like did the same thing because Modi ji ऐसा थोड़ी interview देंगे कभी. Now तो no way. By the way, guys, just telling you, Rajdeep Sardesai has made a big revelation recently. I think it went completely under the radar. He made it on News Laundry in that Manisha interview. He said that all the interviews of Prime Minister, Prime Influencer Narendra Modi that have gone out during these elections were edited by the PMO. Edited. Let me explain this to you. In an interview, in a normal interview, what will happen? You will call the person's office, the person will give you time, you will go, you will interview. You will ask questions, you will ask tough questions, you will ask them, and they should be prepared for it, right? Because they're public personalities. Normal interview, right? You ask questions, you counter question, you have themes, you ask certain questions which people want to know, etc. That's a normal interview. What a Modi interview looks like right now at this point of time is, you call the office, right? पहले तो वो नहीं बोलेंगे, right? पहले तो they'll be like, अच्छा, if you're not like a चाटुकार गोदी media anchor, then तो पहले तुमको नहीं बोल देंगे, right? You chance ही नहीं है. Then all the चाटुकार गोदी media anchors will be invited by PMO. वो आते हैं, सेट बना हुआ होगा, like they will make the set, right? So they have no control over the set. The pictures behind Modi, if you see all these roundtables that happened, I think we spoke about it during the mega stream. If you see all the roundtable interviews again, right? You look at the background mein, if you look at the pictures, they weirdly keep changing, and they change according to the channel, the regional channels that Modi is giving interview to, right? PMO is controlling the set. The second one is that the editing, so it's not like they will take the footage and edit it. No, the PMO will edit the footage and send it to them. Also, these journalists will give them questions in advance. There will be approved questions which are the only ones they can ask. That is how interviews are apparently done according to Rajdeep Sardesai. Okay? And it's very obvious when you look at it. Same style of editing on all channels. How does that happen? How does that happen? If you're a video editor, you will see it. Because now I edit videos, there is some weird similarities between all interviews that Modi gave during the run-up to the elections. It's crazy. Modi cannot remember his name without a script. That script thing was overblown. Wait, do we have the script goof up? This is the part. Yeah, this is the part. Yeah, okay. So, this is
योजनाओं का शिलान्यास और लोकार्पण करके यहां आया हूं.
this is the clip they put out, 30 seconds, where he's looking around, doesn't say anything, and then it cuts to the crowd, right? Cuts to the crowd. People are screaming Modi, Modi in the background, you can hear it. Yeah, still goes on. He's silent. Again, this is at the beginning of his speech, by the way. This is like literally 1.5 minutes.
दिल्ली का
And continues.
ये उत्साह,
See,
ये उमंग, ये हौसला,
see what he's doing, and strategically this is being done, is that whenever people are essentially, he's leaving space for people to scream Modi, Modi, Modi. You might not hear it यहाँ पे because noise cancellation करके रखा होगा इन्होंने, चोमुओं ने, like रखना था ना वो थोड़ा सा मोदी मोदी, फिर सुनाई देता. So he was pausing for people to scream Modi, Modi, and then he resumed by saying ये जो हौसला है लोगों का वो दिखाई दे रहा है, like la la la. And again, see, this is at the beginning of his speech, and he does this a lot. He does this throughout the speech. You can find many places where he does this. Wait for applause.
विकास की जरूरत है.
क्यों टॉर्चर कर रहे हो? Okay, yeah, I understand. I get the point that, you know, he's very slow. But my point was that whole teleprompter thing was completely taken out of context. It was mischief. I think who did it first, I don't know. Did Congress do it first? Unki IT cell, Aam Aadmi Party, I have no idea. But it's crazy. Like, I mean, it's not fair. I mean, I think you should be criticized. ठीक है? I mean, ठीक है, I know you make fun of him, whatever. But this was very obvious, man. Like, clip काट कर तुम 30 सेकंड डाल रहे हो and you're like, hey, teleprompter. क्या यार, मतलब? Why do you need that? I don't get it.